In this video, I'm going to show you how to track your packages on an iPhone using the USPS Informed Delivery app. First, you'll need the USPS Informed Delivery app installed on your iPhone. I already have it, so I'm going to open it. This is the login screen. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one. If you already have an account, just tap Sign In. Now, I'm autofilling my username and password using Face ID. Pretty cool. Once you're logged in, you'll see the home screen of the USPS Delivery app. Here, tap on Track a Package. Now you've got a couple of options. You can manually enter your tracking number, or tap the camera icon to scan a tracking number, shipping label barcode, or QR code. If you're in a dark place or there's a power outage, just tap the flashlight icon to turn on your iPhone's torch. Super easy to use. At the bottom, you'll see two modes: single mode for tracking one package, and multiple mode for tracking more than one package at the same time. And that's how you track your package in the USPS Delivery app on iPhone. I hope this helped you out. Thanks for watching.